Got a new toy. This is the XKS driving 1/14 scale electric car, and it's supposed to do 60 kilometers an hour, which is 40 miles per hour. So we're gonna unbox it, do the first run. Also got these paddle tires with it, so we're gonna test it out. We're gonna give it a first run. Should stay tuned and subscribe because we're gonna do a lot of things on this. Ooh, check it out. There you guys have it. Has some foam tires, the aluminum hinge pin braces, metal dog bones, metal chassis, aluminum steering buckles, have aluminum shock towers front and rear. There you guys have it. I'm pretty sure this is a 540 size and receiver combo, so it's a 2-in-1. It comes with the 2-cell LiPo. Not enough talking. I'll put the link down below if you guys are interested. This is the cheapest RC I've ever gotten. So if you want to go check it out, I'll put the link down below. It comes with this remote, which is, it feels cheap, but what do you expect for that budget RC, you know? So the battery's done. It took about like 45 minutes to charge, but we're finally gonna go get it running. So I'm gonna put that into there, and we're gonna go get our first run. Oh my God, look, check out the steering. Ah! Holy cow, this thing's fast. So I'm just testing on these jumps. I bent the shock strap. The shock strap. Oh, this thing jumps good. Let me give it a big guy. You see, on the first jump up, it just popped out, and that you could straighten it easily. So I don't really. This thing is crazy. That thing's. Let's go! Ah! Ah! Time to test the suspension.
Holy crap, that thing goes fast.
Ah, it does for that little guy. Alright, let's go bash it. Woohoo! Oh, tumble wumble. Ah, put it. Ah! No, it broke. I just hit myself in the shoulder, then it broke. That's why front wheel sucks. That's why front wheel drive sucks. So we managed to fix the car. I don't know how, but I don't know. I just managed to fix it. So we're out here in the park and really excited. Shut up! Don't let me. All right, so we have some excited news. Marty just got the new GoPro Hero 10. Dang.
It came out 2 days ago.
2 days ago, and then we already have it. So yeah, he's gonna test it out. I'll put some
Yeah, if you want, I'll send it to you.
So yeah, I'll put some footage of him hit recording, like to check out the low light or like how the 4K and 20 frames per second. We're just gonna give it a quick rip. I saw a battery, so might as well just finish it here, right? Do a quick speed test, a flyby. Oh. Oh, the car.